Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we would be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, the markets began with the gap up largely due to positive global cues based on strong performance in the global equities and Saudi's decision to cut oil prices. However, in the second half of the session, the markets came under intense selling pressure from higher levels, erasing most of its early morning gains and closing with marginal gains of 0.15% in case of Nifty, while Bank Nifty underperformed, losing 0.44% for the day. Coming to the macro factors, the US dollar index is currently trading around 102.5 levels, while the US 10-year bond yields are sustaining above 4% since the past few sessions, reinforcing the belief that interest rate cuts may not happen too soon. Brent crude is remaining steady between $75-78 a barrel. Below $75 a barrel, it could weaken towards levels of $70-71 a barrel, which would be positive from a macroeconomic development for our nation. Coming to a quick check on the global markets, the S&P 500 has taken support around its 20 EMA, that is around levels of 4,680, 4,700, and is now trending towards its life highs. Looking ahead till the 20-day EMA holds, the index can continue its positive momentum towards 4,840, 4,890 levels. On the downside, 4,650, 4,680 zone could act as an important support zone. Coming to Nifty, 21,480, 21,500, which is the 13 EMA levels, is providing cushion on the downside despite the selling pressure witnessed in Nifty from higher levels closer to 21,700 in the past few sessions. In case 21,470 is breached, the index could slide towards 21,300 on the downside where the 20-day EMA is placed. Till 21,470 holds, the index can trade in a range between 21,470 to 21,700. Coming to the OI data for the weekly series, significant call writing is witnessed in 21,550, 21,600 strikes, while on the put front it is mainly seen in 21,500 and 21,400 strikes where considerable open interest built up is seen. So the overall range for the index could be 21,400 on the downside and 21,670 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, the zone of 46,850, 46,900 is likely to act as the support, while on the upside resistance is seen at 47,550, 47,600. Any surge above the levels of 47,600, Bank Nifty could witness short covering towards the levels of 47,900, 48,000 levels on the upside. While in case 46,850 breaks on the downside, the next support is placed closer towards 46,500, 46,400 levels. From the weekly expiry perspective, that is for Bank Nifty, open interest built up is currently seen in 47,300, 47,500 calls, and on the put side it is mainly seen in the 47,000 strike, implying a near-term range of 47,600 on the upside and 46,850 on the downside for the banking index. Coming towards stocks and sectors in momentum, the reality stocks once again witnessed positive traction. The likes of Oberoi Realty, DLF, Godrej Properties, Phoenix Limited continue to demonstrate robust chart structure on the medium term and the long term time frame. Asset management companies such as HDFC AMC, NAM India and UTI AMC witnessed strong buying in trade yesterday. From the broader market perspective, bullish setup was observed in Hero MotoCorp, Apollo Hospital, LT, Bharti Airtel, Sun Pharma, NTPC, JSW Energy, Patanjali, Poonawalla, Apollo Tyre, Abbott, Trent, Hind Petro, Gujarat Gas, IRB, NBCC, Latent View, Century Textile, Amber. All these counters witnessed good traction on the upside in trade. Coming to the FI/DI data in trade yesterday, in the cash segment, FI sold to the tune of 990 crores, while DIs bought to the tune of 104 crores. FI's long short ratio for index futures improved to 64.65 in trade yesterday. On the stock futures front, FIs have bought to the tune of 10,413 contracts, while on the options front they have bought 1,04,213 call contracts and 6,041 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.